Hello everyone, my name is Ben Howard and welcome to this course which is called Getting Started with Power BI for Business Professionals. The aim of this course is to provide the business professional with the skills and knowledge to enable them to turn raw data into powerful visual reports by way of practical and relatable examples. Power BI is the overarching name for a suite of products from Microsoft, and so early on in the course we dissect the product suite into specific components, explain the function of each one, and then focus on the two main programs that are most useful to the business professional, and that is the Power BI Desktop and the Power BI Service. The course then takes, by way of example, some generic Twitter feeds and CSV files as raw data and shows that it's easy to build simple but very powerful visual dashboards from even this type of basic data source. As business professionals, we might have access to data sources provided by our organizations as well as the plethora of data available in the public domain. Often the data isn't quite in the exact format we require it in, and so we need to manipulate and massage it in order to enrich and improve it to further meet our requirements. Power BI provides us with this opportunity as well as the opportunity to consume and relate all of these different types of data to enable the business professional to provide the type of sophisticated reports that today's premier organizations require and present and publish them via a laptop, browser or even mobile device. This isn't the only course we at Pluralsight produce that help business professionals manipulate data. You might want to check out our Power Query course and our Power Pivot course. Both of these courses complement this Power BI course and would further your learning. I hope you'll join me, Ben Howard, for this course in order to begin your Power BI journey.